going on? What is up, you guys? So for today's video, we have DJ Richie Feelings just asking a few questions which really make sense. Even Maka Diamond did it the other day, so answer the video.
So much things are going on in the world. But just come on for going and look at chat and low now. How you doing? How the day going so far? I know the summer at our time now. 11 o'clock minutes to 11 of foreign to 10 of Jamaica. Then you don't know. I respect all of you know. And you don't know respecting or respect bigger than ratings, because some people rate you but them not respect you. And touch on that topic here real quick. See? I always wonder, why is it when you're alive and I see everybody and everybody talk and people don't see you for a minute, but them have your number in them phone. Them not message you, them not check by you, not even every 2 years or every 6 months or every 3 months or whatever. Them not check by you. Or you know, try have a relationship with you, but them have your number. But when time you're dead, everybody has said them sorry for hear. Everybody remember the last conversation where you and them have. Everybody remember how you was a good person. Everybody remember you was a good father, you was a good husband, you was a good this and good that. But yet still when you're alive, them never tell none of them something yet. Them never ever tell none of them something yet. You know once I look at me youth, them I'ma tell them, if me for pass off right now, don't bother with no excitement for me. Just make me dead and go on, and no bother with no big funeral. Just burn me. Because it's a social media. If you follow social media, you will develop a whole heap of hate in your body for them. For people. On a whole. Social media will make you develop hatred in your heart for people. You have your phone and you put up something on your status. And when you look, you see 300 people and look on your status. And you not talk to 300 people. I said this the other day. You know. Say, stop expect from people. Because when you expect too much, you're going to get disappointment. See? You're going to get disappointment. I stop expect from people long time. Like if you talk to a person, them say, what you expect? I'm say, you know, so I don't expect nothing. Because I get so much disappointment already. Them take it wrong, use ignorance and say, you style them and you this and you that. But just check every time somebody dead. And the biggest promotion that them get. Them start a business, so much people not put out the business. People scroll past the business like say, them no see it. See, them scroll past the business. See, you achieve accolades, you get a certificate in a nursing, you finally graduate. You can count the people them will really congratulate you. But make you put up and say your mother dead or your father dead and you lose someone close. Make you put up that. You see condolences goes out like, whoa. See? Condolences goes out like, whoa, to this. It just go out and go out and spread and spread and spread. And everybody does that. So who want to message you privately? Them under the post and them say condolences, I'm sorry for hear. So why your mind never run from the person when them was alive? Why your mind never run from the person before them lose somebody? Why your mind never tell us if you message the people them and say, boy, I know me just a heal you up and nothing. But me just a heal you up. See? Me just a heal you up. Like enough people never say that yet. Let me tell you how me look upon life. You don't have to talk to a person every day. But every now and then you chip in and you give them a 1 year. It can be a text, it can be a call. Because when me dead and gone, me I gonna know say you did sorry for here or you're sorry for what happened. Why you not tell me say boy, everybody I go through something when me alive. Like said us Richie, we know say everybody I go through something, but continue all the faith. continue go and press on. Because you don't know life is the greatest thing. You know, say I value life. I know say death is a must, but I value life. I value people. I get up and I say I don't like people. The reason why I say I don't like people is because I love people. Because remember, we can't make nobody. We can't give life. See? So I value everything and everybody when I come across. Social media is a place. I come on social media and I meet a whole heap of nice people. I tell you, I meet a whole heap of, some of them, I never meet them in a life, but our reason on social media is that things that we born and grow up. So when I hear people say them can't bother with social media, I don't say that. Because I know the type of people them I interact with. See? People quick for write RIP instead of congratulations. People quick for comment and say, oh, this is so sad, it breaks my heart. More than, oh my God, this warms my heart. It put a smile on my face. People quick for write the negative more than the positive. Remember say, no, we can't change nobody, you know. We cannot change nobody. We can't stop nobody from feel how them feel or live how them feel. But me just looking at myself and just say, certain things, I never put myself through. When I hear me say, I can't change people, none of we can't change people. We have to change ourselves. So me the man change myself from enough things. Like all conflict, my plan for not in a conflict with nobody at all. Because ignorance is at bliss right now. Everybody bad. Everybody have them gun. Everybody can burn you up. Everybody will go to prison. Everybody with this. So everybody bad. So who is the fool? So better me hold the fool side and hold the idiot side. Make me hold the shame side. Make me hold the quiet side. Make me hold the soft side. Make me hold the girl clown side. Make me hold the side over there so because everybody bad. So I want to the fool them. The fool left, I be a bad people left. So make me just hold over that part there. I promise myself say, I not embarrass my children them on social media. When I say I not embarrass them, I mean I not come make a fool of myself. Because if I come make a fool of myself, my youth them not gonna like it because them have to face the crosses out the road. Because when me can deal with it, my youth them not supposed to walk past. My daughter not supposed, people not supposed to see my daughter and say, you stinking dirty father. Where this and that, and my youth them have to deal with that. So I change myself from certain things. So I promise myself that I not gonna ever embarrass my youth them. It burned me for sit enough time when I look on the internet. I see some big woman and some big man a carry on and a galang. And for God say, them have children. You know, respect your youth them enough for us. Men down certain things and men back certain fences are run down that bridge they are. You know? Because remember, you know, me and one of my friends a reason. And Sharon joke and I say, you're all, you know. You're all. And she thinks I may take offense to it. But me not take offense. Me actually feel good. Because when you hear say you're all nowadays, take it as a compliment. Some people might think it's a disrespect. But it's a compliment. Because if you notice the rate of how the world go, people are dying every day, and the younger generation them from 6 to 18 years old, from 12 to 25 years old. Every time you look at your ear, oh, this young man has died at 19, this young man got shot at 17, this young man died at 25, this young man died, he wasn't even 30 years old. And when you look at you, say you are 40. You have to hold like the 40 there and hold it strong. You are 44, you are 45, you have to hold it strong and feel proud. You understand? For the woman, them will get up and them cuss over two little grey hair with them sit on them front. Take it as a compliment. And just say you age gracefully. Because I remember one time I was 20 and I was 25. 40 was all. Like when you hear say you are 40, you hear the man they are 40. And you look at it and you say, him a 40, a old man this. Zine? So when you go somewhere and you look at it, you have to say, wow, how far you come from? Because remember now, you know, we are the I say something on one of the internet where they must say, the ancestors, like them say if you're born in a 1970 something, you're ancient. See? And if you're born in a 1999, your ancestor. And it's like, I find it very funny. I find it very funny, you know. Because if you ever check out some youth reason now, you is nothing to them. Some of them look a young girl, you is nothing to them. Them not responsible you. Them tell us say all of your time pass. So what we supposed to do now as big grown people is remember, so we live a certain life and we live a good life. Like all me, I can't tell you so I live a good life. I pass my suffering stage long time. I not suffer. I live a good life. I do one heap of things already and I enjoy life. I can't tell you so I enjoy my life. I not boy, Richie did live a life where no. I live a good life. I'm looking at myself and know like I see me youth them pass the worst. See? I see me youth them pass the worst. I'm still there I watch them same way at them young adult stage. And I do them thing. So when you have your big son and your big son taller than you know, and your daughter bigger than you know, and you see your daughter have man, and you see your son have woman, and you see them do them thing, you just feel proud of yourself and just smile, just sit down and smile. You remember like how old people used to sit down in them rocking chair and rock. Them just sit down on a rock. So you just sit down in your recliner. If you have a recliner, you just sit down, put your back against a wall and just say, look for my seed. Look for my children them. Far where I come from, I look which part I reach. Because remember say, tomorrow is promised to no one. Tomorrow promised to no one. No one. So me the man, I value everything where I go on right now. I value the people when I come on the internet and my son come on and comment on my post them and on a laugh or whatever. If somebody pass a bad comment I still appreciate on the same way because guess what now? I have to take life as how it come. I have to take life as how it come. And enough away, we sit down and worry about the wrong thing. And that's why enough away hold back. In our life, we wonder, oh, we stay at one place, and we are hold back ourselves. Let me tell you why we hold back ourselves. We sit down and worry about the next man. Because if me get up right now and sit down and I watch Lisa, and I say, watch Lisa, she just buy a car, she hype, see. Watch Lisa, she get her new job and a hype. True, she have her new job. She a come hype. Remember, you know, Lisa go to school, Lisa put her pen to paper, Lisa used the opportunity for her ambition and her mindset and push herself to reach where she reach till she can afford a car. We don't know how much car payment she take for do this. We don't know if a car loan. We don't know nothing. But we just see Lisa post up and say, Lisa, we don't like you. This is the generation where we have a deal with now. We never stop and sit down and just think and look upon the look younger generation them where we are deal with and just say. But when we did little, we never used to know this. You remember one time, when some little girl one go have sex or them go have sex, you hear them parents say them go put pepper in them pum pum. You remember that style eh? When them used to say them go put pepper in them little daughter vagina and them beat the daughter and beat her because she take long for come home from school. Or them send her a shop and she take long for come back from shop. You think you can put pepper in a little in them pum pum again? You think you can do that again? You cannot. Because now, them nowadays generation here are runway. The nowadays generation are runway. 10-year-old. Oh, she missing. When you check it out, you see her on a video down a Senton. You see her on a video in a Kingston. You see her on a video a Wolaba. She and some other girl. I wonder if you don't know how serious of a time that generation you are living a right now. I wonder if you don't know. You don't realize say that generation here, anything we talk about too much, it becomes a trend. And why it becomes a trend? Because people want to involve themselves in it and people want to try it. One time when we look, we are here about roast duck. And we are here about laps coochie. And we are here about skin belly. And we are here about some whole heap of name. Remember when time me younger, me hear about cocoa soup a year. Me hear about wet and curl. Me hear about wet and wavy. Me hear about some little, you know, some little you know, we are here about fox locks. We are here about Peruvian. We are here about Malaysian. We are here about Brazilian. We are here about all of them things. We are here about BBL now. And them something that we are here about now. So we are look on the internet and we are see it. Nice little young girl, slim, nothing to do her. And she said, oh, I don't like myself. I need to go and do my bottom. And she get up and go do her bottom. Nothing to do her, you know. Nothing to do her. But she's so caught up in trending and want people to see. It's like doing your body is a big achievement. So she just say she has save up her money for go do her body. So she go do her body now. All of a sudden, she don't know how to act. Naked. Zine? Naked, you know. Naked as she born. Because she don't remember how to wear clothes again. See? She naked because she do her body and remember say she never have a chick nor a child. But she just want to keep up with the Joneses. So instead of starting a business, she do her body. Nothing wrong if you spend your money on yourself. Or your money. Do your thing. Now we are dealing with the teenager them now in at 12 and 10 and 13 and 14. Them a take Mali. May I see it from the whole of the other day. Every day they on the news. Careful of how you're taking Mali. I've never taken any prescribed drugs. I've never taken any. No drugs, none at all. Zine? But me I watch and me I read and me I listen. And them say when you take the Mali, it make you do things where you don't remember when you wake up. From you can do something the night before and remember what you do. And when you look back on a video and see yourself, you wonder when you do that. It can't good. But who am I to tell you say don't go take what you want to take? Your enhancement drugs. Me can't tell you say don't forget to take you something. Me can't tell you say don't forget to take you something, you know. Me can't tell you don't forget to take you something. But anything where you put out, prepare to get it back. Seeing? Anything where you put out, prepare to take it in back. Because of the energy where you put out that you're going to get back in. Because if you have to take some drugs full of vibes and you can't remember in the morning, you know, sister, something seriously wrong. One time gone, we used to work, say, if you don't have no youth, at 20, you're up on the gelding chuck. And if you reach 30, you're up on the gelding chuck. And a woman are you know, because a woman can't breathe. Zine, them talk so much things and me did fall in that chuck as a younger youth too. Because me I say, I want to know. I feel like some can reach certain age and not get no youth. But we never did that thing, so the responsibility will come when getting a youth. We never did a look on the responsibility. Then now, everyone that we will get big, the first thing we I say, we wish we did little. And forget bigger was one of the biggest mistakes. Because the whole of we were upon this, pray forget bigger. Then when we get big, we say the responsibility come up and we. Like, when we look and we see how much bills we have to pay, we say, wow. And guess what all we have to do? We get the youth and we want the youth them have everything. So we spoil them rotten. We buy them all the sky. Oh, mom, I want the sky. And we work hard for buy the sky. And you buy the sky, get the picnic, take it. Oh, I'm so excited. And then play with it 2 times and throw down the sky. Because they don't value nothing. They don't value nothing. Nothing. Mom, I want the bottom of the sea. Dad, I want the bottom of the ocean. And I we that as the father. Poof, chuck off in the water. Buy anything for my picnic. Get the bottom of the ocean for a picnic. Because we want to give our children what we never have. Nothing no wrong, you know. Nothing no wrong. But what we have to do, sit down with the youth them and tell them, say, now we can't get this right now. Because we are grow some youth nowadays where the youth them, when them hear now, them show a tantrum. Them show a tantrum. So when them show the tantrum now, them a say, oh, you have to tell me no. My mom not tell me no. We always believe in a reward in your kids when them do something. Like, you know, them go a school. I mean, I get to the school part, you know. Because the part about the school, a very, very serious something. When the youth them do something good, we force to reward them. Like, if you want a PS5, you have to get the PS5 if you give me straight A for the next 5 months. So you give the youth a task. So bam, the youth bring a task come, because guess what? Same way like how you celebrate the achievement, you're supposed to talk about the failures too. Because remember, said nobody knows have the achievement straight, so we have to fail. We have to drop down before we rise again. And how much time we drop down? How much time we drop down? Remember, I don't respond if them want to say a whore. I don't respond if them want to say a bitch. I'm not busy with them want to say boy you. But them not supposed to say you're a bad parent. Make them talk about you in the words just away. But make sure the part there when them say you're a good parent. The part there you sit down. Because enough man, them give them pitney money. But them not give them pitney time. They don't give their children any time. They don't give their children any time. And you say time is the most important thing. Material things are always dead. Oh, I'm buy me youth a PS5. Me youth say I want an iPhone 13 Plus. I'm buy that for me youth. Me give me youth that. Oh, I'm telling my youth no short or nothing. No Jordan, straight J's me youth wear go to school. But he never found the time to go to one of the parent-teachers meeting. He never found one of those time for sit down and him youth to swim, or him youth to play basketball, or him youth to play tennis, or him youth to play the violin, and him spend an hour or an hour and a half. Him not have the time there. Him too busy. So these are enough of the things that when I look upon and say, Mother's Day will always be forever bigger than Father's Day. Because we as fathers, we are just breadwinner. Somehow we determine to say anything we are going, we are feeling our youth life. Not care how far we are in our world. While you have someone say, I don't send the money go give the mama already, you know. I don't have to go. Zine? Why do you think I couldn't get a bag of youth all about? Because if I get a bag of youth all about, the way I love Missy and Puffy, I never can love them so. Because I go come see them certain time. I never can sleep with them all the while. I get all the daughter, my daughter live all at Paris. Oh, I go love my daughter. Oh, I go hug up my daughter. How much time of the year I go see my daughter. Oh, after I go see my son at Africa. 1-2 times a year. I have to go be one of them telepathic father there. Where every minute I dey on video call and I say, let me see your homework, let me see this, let me see that. Remember, you need physical affection, you know. The youth, them need that. Remember, say, you have your youth and your youth lay down and asleep, you burp your youth and, you know, you walk your youth in the morning to school and your youth take morning breeze and when I walk and I hold some little reasoning. I drive and I hold some little reasoning. Them things there is very essential. Because you got hear, oh, he's a good dad. Because the good dad pass on money. But see, the time not dead. Remember, I couldn't have 15 people because I cannot afford to send 15 children to university. I cannot. And not for we not believe in this, but both parents need it into the child's life. Both parents are needed. The bitter baby mother and the bitter baby father them, you don't realize that the youth on our wall back. You try to set up the youth against the mother, you try to set up the youth against the father. You try to say you have it more than this and you have it more than that, and you don't realize that you make the youth a bill of 8 for one and one. You don't do that something there, and that mash up enough of the thing. Remember saying, no, let me tell you why bitterness always go on when parenting for go on. The bitterness go on because a man and a woman there for 15 years. Him and her there, when she did there with him never have no good boxers. He made her be a tear out body pants and she did a down them up. And, you know, them eat out of one pot. And, you know, them go on with some little things. So it's like, them have a history. Yes, 15 years come and the man stagnant because it's like he must struggle. She has struggled, he must struggle. Bam, them grow apart or him get an opportunity. And when he get the opportunity, him leave. Once him go to man there with a new woman, you know, it's like that woman has show him something he never did know say him could have do. Because he have him skill and him skill never did utilize. Him skill never did utilize. Like him could have do well then good. But the woman where him there with, All she can know say, oh, she wash him clothes and keep him clean, but she never say, you know, say if you enhance by welding something, we don't try weld them two wire there together. We don't try weld a little grill there together. We don't try do that. She not try push him, you know, stimulate him brain certain way and push him certain way. So this next woman here come now and start push him and show him and him start seeing true potential now. Right away, my big welding company. This baby mother where she had him the 15 year now, see the big welding company and say, away ma do, and me still there because she look back for herself still like down at the road down the so. Because people that believe in a building together. People will watch you build, then try take out away you build. I mean, I talk both man and woman. So the bitterness are gonna come in now. He move on, and him nobody want to have sex with her. She try looking back in her everywhere because all of a sudden, everything where she never like about him, the next woman you like. Every goddamn thing. She never used to want to squeeze out the blackhead them more time ears. She never want to squeeze them more time face. She never see the ear bump them. She never see nothing at all. And that woman just tell him about facial. You ever did a facial before? No. Come, I'm gonna let her get a facial. And when the man get the facial and the people put over the something over him face, I'll put all the cucumber upon him eye. Him say, Jesus Christ! Me nice! And he just look upon himself and I go on. While he there with that woman, we never did a push him to take care of himself. He might push her, push him, she push him to take care of she and fear pick with them. So when him find himself now, she begs. She begs. You hear me say? Begs. Do you know that a lot of us men in the world today cannot eat with a knife and a fork? Do you know that? Remember, I learned to eat with knife and fork at Sunday school. I go to Sunday school, and I grow with my granny and my grandfather. So I learned that long time. I can't say that for the next man. Some way, a woman where we meet, teach we how to eat with knife and fork because we're willing to try new things. We're willing to try new things. Some things what we learn from other people. The person what we there with long time never know this. So if we go out there and try to teach that person and this, some of them head too tough. Enough woman go out there, she get some experience and she come back and she want her man to learn certain things because your woman go with 6 months of foreign. And when your woman go with 6 months of foreign, she go among some white people. And the white people them teach her how to fold napkin. The white people them show them how to put the napkin, yes sir, you put it on your lap right, yes sir. And the white people them drink wine and, you know, she never used to drink wine. She used to drink beer water. Beer water. And sugar water. Sugar water alone, Kool-Aid with sugar. All of them something that she used to drink. So now she's there in a different environment and she try white wine. Then after she try white wine, she try red wine. Zine? I know any see, you know, wine. So she goes up and reach back at Jamaica and she said, my baby father, I want to try Wincornis wine. We want to try Yellowtail wine. We want to try this and why you try that. First thing the idiot man want to do. War the woman. I wish man teach her about wine. And I wish man this and I wish man that. With them big skiddy boo head. With them big skiddy boo head, you know. Because him used to drink Dragon, Guinness, Magnum, Red Label, Campari, and all of them something there. Him start tell the woman say a man she have a man teach her wine and man this and man that. And want war the woman. So right away now, she did it with him for 6 months again. And she realized say the 6 months that she go with her, she gonna learn something and she bring it back to come teach her man where she love. And the man want war with her. The man a tell her say she have man and she have this and she have that. Him not say make me try it, you know. No, me no want to try that. My girl, what you do? You just come mix the Kool-Aid, give me man. You come tell me about wine, man. I want to you. She said to him, say, babes, let's go on a date. Let's go on a date. And she said, we want to go to One of them nice places down at watch it. Yo, I want you, man. Watch it too far, man. I want you to take the money there. Yo, but you take the money there and buy some food put in the house. Yo, I want you, man. The girl want to go explore. You don't want to do nothing but sit down, cock up, eat, shit, smoke, have sex. She had do this from you and her from she has 17, 18. Now she has 36 and you still want to stay in her house. So right away, she will eventually outgrow you. She will outgrow you. Because she go explore and come back with the exploring and the experience, bring it to you, your bex, you want to kill her with beating. Right away, it now go work between you and her. First thing you go walk me your mouth and say, true, she make money now, she hype. Right, kids? True, she make money now, she hype. And she a try style you. Cause she a try with you, you know. Your baby father. And she a try with you. But you now look for try with yourself. So when she left you now and find somebody who want to try little wine. Somebody who want to try little mackerel in dumpling in mackerel sauce. You know? And some nice little other things. You have this in your head, say baby mother and baby father can't left. You better stop it. You better stop that shit. Don't do it. Baby father and baby mother can't left way. What you mean? You better learn to hear about the word when you're co-parenting. The can't left part, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Because you're going to damage yourself. Let me tell you this. You have some people, both man and woman. Them will watch you struggle. Them will watch you naked. Them will watch you go through everything. And say you worthless and you this and you that. And as soon as you know bother look worthless again, you know bother look careless again, you know bother look like you're not on a mission again, all of a sudden you becomes the problem because you start better yourself. Now I'm telling you this thing, no found not gonna like hear it, but that's true. Don't hold back yourself in nobody at all. Don't hold back yourself in not even your mama, not even your papa will bring you come and hurt you. Hold back yourself for them. Put yourself first. Make sure you're strong. Because you can't weak and then make somebody else strong. So how you give somebody your strength? You're not going to need back your strength. You're not going to need back your strength. If you are a self-made female, you have your 6-figure job. You have your business, self-employed, and you do something where you sell pokey washer or whatever you sell. You have your partner, whatever you do. And you go pick up a man where Ungla look upon your earnings and him not try to put him look up with your one. It not gonna work. From the day I know myself, a woman never mind me yet. Because I have a mindset where I see my grandfather always at work and I take care of the house. No woman can't mind me. A woman see me in a nice cologne and she want to buy me back a cologne, she buy me a cologne. A woman see me in a nice t-shirt, she can't buy me a t-shirt. She can't buy me a pants. You can't mind me. You mind your son and your daughter. And I said this with no apology. I believe in a self-reliance. Anything when I can't buy for myself, I'm not going to force it. I'm going to come tell you, say you must buy it. Because you're not obligated to me. Or when you're there, I'm trouble your pum pum. You're not obligated to me. I'm not expect you to say, oh, yeah, like for instance, when the ear say, people birthday come. And you say, what you want for your birthday? And the woman in turn says she want a Tory birch. See? She says she want a Tory birch. If you feel like say she's worth a Tory birch and you have the money, you buy her a Tory birch. If you see how she treat herself, she deserve a Tory birch. But if you see she goes to man and know nothing about Tory birch, and too she hear some girl talk about Tory birch, and she see the Tory birch, and she see it and drink, and she just come and sing about Tory birch, she's a falla fashion monkey. She's a falla fashion monkey. Because I see she see people, things, and I get shine. Remember them say, Bridget is expensive. I mean, no, Bridget expensive. Bridget expensive, pick up everybody with a 15 and 20 pair of Bridget. But Bridget's is not for everyone. Bridget's is not for everyone. I see a girl that wear size 7 Bridget and wear reason one day. And she said she didn't buy one, is her man buy them. She didn't buy none. And she said they are not comfortable. She said Bridget is not comfortable. So, I open up my cranium again and I say, but as a woman wicked to themselves, just because the thing is a brand, only that broke on the neck and go buy it for people soon in it, and don't know it not comfortable. Why you don't buy something that's comfortable and fit you properly, that you can stand in it for a while? Me not knock nobody, you know. No get me wrong, you know. I'm just saying. Like, a next set of woman, them not give a boy this, and them not give a boy that. Them not do this and them not do that. But yet still, you want the boy to do everything. Anything where you say you not do for somebody, don't expect this person to do the same thing for you. Don't do it. Don't you ever do that. You're going to say you're not buying a boy a present, or you're not buying a boy a shoes for a boy come walk out for you. You see that style where old people used to say, don't follow them. When the old people say some things, but sometimes you have to follow them. Sometimes things is right and sometimes things is wrong. Like the part where you say, oh, I'm not buying a man a shoes because they're going to walk out for you. All if you buy a man a plane, him still going to fly out. So you can't go do things to people and then I say, me not do this, you know, because he might do that. No, just do it from the heart. Do it from the heart. Because if you are going to say, you're not buying a boy in a shoes, the boy are going to say, him not buy you no neither. And one of the things them will always trouble me, the ignorant woman them, young boy and young girl them, will say some things more time and don't listen to yourself. When your birthday comes, it's a big fuss. But when time a man where you're there with, birthday come, it's like I know nothing. But you make a big issue about your birthday. You make a big issue and you don't have it, and you can't this and you can't that. But yet still, when your birthday come, you expect you forget your ear though. You expect you forget your nails though. You expect you forget one big cake with all your face on the cake. You expect you forget the suit. You expect you forget go up on weekend. You expect you forget 40% from the one person where you claim say you love. But you don't want to do about the same thing for him. You just want to give him a look front. Oh, babes, later when me dash out this pan, you whoa, you murder. You did dash it out pan him the night before. You dash it out pan him the night before that. You dash it out pan him the day before that. But every time I be a front, you know, feel like some man want something to, man want gift to. Just like how woman want gift. Man want gift to, you know. Man want gift. And you have some women say them independent and them don't need no man to do this and them don't need no man to do that. And I understand about all of that and everything. I understand about that. I understand. Trust me, I listen good when woman talk. Because if you don't listen, you're not going to learn. I listen. And my friend tell me say she tired to be the male in the relationship. She tired to be the most dominant. Sometimes she want easy back little. Because she constantly if you do this and I do that and I do that. Like the man don't know him role. As a man, you must always remember, don't get used to a woman doing everything. You have to join in with her. And if you're a person decide to live together as a union, then you pay them bills before you move in. Don't make them tell us you contribute to nothing. You do the contribution by yourself. If at the internet, you say you have to pay a part of the internet. If at the cable, or whatever it is, just say you want to do this. Because if you say you love the person and you and the person are going to live, it doesn't make no sense you sit down and save year one and then I watch the man and spend a fee one. Union mean this, you know. See? And a woman not have to tell you say she wants something because she can buy it for herself. You're supposed to use your initiative as a man. Some of you grew up in some way where you want to see how the father deal with the mother, or want to see how the mother have her man them, or her man them deal with her. It's like you just come and feel like you have to deal with people, girl fitness. So no, you have to learn from how your mother was treated, and don't treat a next girl like that. Don't you ever treat a next girl like how a man treat your mother. Don't you ever do it. And when I say that, I mean like you see man a box down your mother, or you see your father a box down your mother, you have to come and say you have to put your hand on a woman, and you feel like say, oh, woman is your child. A woman is not your child. You leave people make them talk, and you listen. Like you see the shouting match and them something that you are 40 at the year old and the two are trace up in one another face. When you see it play up on the internet how much time, everybody quick to take it to the internet and diss up them one another. Diss up everybody in a public. Scandal everybody in a public, and then now in the apology, it's silent. Babes, they know me love you in a silent. Babes, they know you want and you more upset. So the big embarrassment you feel like, so we forgot. We don't forgot. We don't forgot. We don't forget. Remember the big excitement and the big alabaloo. Remember where you say, oh, you nyam me out. Dirty nyam boy, nyam front boy. Where you nyam me? Nasty mouth. Your face rank. Where, and the big excitement, and 30,000 people see them here. See 30,000 people here? And then, when you're not back together now, you talk about how you're tired of Instagram because Instagram boring and you can't do this and you can't do that. Shame, your shame. A shame, your shame, and we understand. Because if you don't put your business out there, we can't see. You understand? That's something I don't like. If you love a person, you're not supposed to come up on the internet and not done them. I don't like it. Easy iceberg. I don't like it. Alright. I could talk about school now. Pep just come and finish. A lot of the children in Jamaica, them pass for traditional high school. I saw an article where a child passed for Holy Trinity, and our parents, mother and father, was so devastated. They were so upset. Them blaming the child. Them blaming the child. Them a blame the child. And me I say, nobody's thinking about the child. Nobody's thinking about the child. Them a think about themselves because they need the one go brag so they pick the pass with champion. And they pick the pass with Georges. And they pick the pass with JC. On the tarnish Holy Trinity. On the tarnish Norman Manley. On the tarnish Charlie Smith. On the now forgot say none of you never there in the classroom or the sitting era when this exam was being done. None of you never help her with her homework one day. None of you only just well want this big result here. This big Ulmas pass. How my daughter pass Ulmas? Remember say my son pass your primary card. My daughter pass the Queens. See? I'm proud. I feel proud. If my daughter did ever pass any one of the school, them Trench Town or anywhere, I'm proud because you sitting down in this classroom after how much hours with your pencil and I do whatever for pass. Just for pass alone. Just for pass alone is a big thing. Me no business with school you want pass for. So somehow you just want to go brag. You not proud. Because from when I put it on social media, when I bex with no pick me. And when I look on the pressure when I go put on the child for the child. Even when I go commit suicide and say she feel her parents. Sometimes it's not about you, the parents. Make it about the child. Make it about the child. You can go to any school and come out to something. Because remember, if you check which part no found no go. No found not even did go high school. No found no breed from when I was 12 and 13. Before now the GSAT or common entrance. Man do not take. But yet still they bring a child now and your child pass for say a non-traditional school. I want to beg someone kill the pitney. I want to look and say, this youth are going to take this to heart now. Because the first thing when I go say, I just your pastor, I'm going to take away your game. I'm going to take away this. I'm going to take away that. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. And you threaten the child. You know what the child are going to do? Run away. Turn to a life of crime. Turn to a life of prostitution. Turn to a life of Mali. Turn to a life before you hug up your child and say, I'm proud that you're my child. And never the school where you really pick, but you still did well. We are going to do our best for reach greatness because you have greatness in you. When last someone motivate on the youth, when last no found no hold on the youth and say, come here, my daughter, sit on here, say, come here, my son. I see someone take up and put up fighting challenge. I see someone put up fighting challenge. And I tell on the people, say, we have a fight a girl there, we have a fight a girl there. Some of the things they want to see as Jamaican people, don't feel low. Leave it to the foreign people, them, because they and everything funny. And everything funny. And everything funny. I like when people laugh and everything, but everything funny. I mean, not tell nobody how to grow them youth, but me just say, allow the child to be a child. Everything them come with challenge. Everything them come with challenge. Challenge yourself to do better. Challenge to be yourself to be a better person. Like from COVID coming, how much I want to can safely say, want to make some changes. And the changes want to make for yourself, it really a work. Because you have to change for yourself. You cannot change for people. Any decision where you make in a life, you have to make it for yourself first. See? You have to make it for yourself. COVID come. Remember? The woman and her man there. Sky Hollywood. The woman and her man there. And the woman and her man go through the crosses. Because remember, you know, you see the crosses were going in a COVID where a man and a woman go through the test where them locked down in a house 1 year straight and can't come out. The next year them open up back and then them lock them down back again. And all of them different curfew. The member said that is a real test, you know. Some of you have a COVID baby. Congratulations on a COVID child. And I hope from 2020 to now, when the youth are going to be 2 years old soon or some of the youth are 2. I hope you doing better. Some of you divorce. Some of you just look on the partner when you see there with and say, it's never did ever work. Like, a life changes happen. Life changes happen, and enough away still feel like say, cow jump over moon. Some of we still in the reading book. I am a boy. I am big. My name is Roy. I am a girl. I am big. My name is Pam. See Pam run. And a reading book that we still a read, and we are 50 now. And we still I am a boy. I am Pam. I am Roy. And then so we still a look pan and say we still there so. We still there, hey, diggle. We passed this a long time. Long time we passed. I am a boy. I am Roy. I am Pam. See Pam run. Long time we passed this so. A modern technology time we dey now. Remember say I go to Europe, you know. And anywhere at all you go in the world, your smartphone can translate. So you use your smartphone. And I use my phone only to translate enough things. So the true effect of my phone come in handy when you try to find somewhere. The smartphone what we have, it can teach with so much things. How do you say hello in French? And you use your phone and you say hello in a French. But not for we not think. We still a think about I am Pam. I am a girl. I am big. See Pam run. See me here. We still a look on this so we don't realize that we passed that stage there long time. Long time we passed that stage there. You know say it's $500 for your brother Jamaica? You know look on the news and them tell you say formula, baby formulas. There's a major shortage in baby formula. People not see that because guess what? It now say 5 man dead down a town. The news now say 6 man dead down there so. It now say 1 girl get raped down there so. It now say none of them things so you're not interested. So you look and say, I have to go breed because I don't have my picnic yet. But you now look and say, where you going to feed the baby? Everybody who didn't know that it's $500 for a bread. It's $500 for a bread. 500 Jamaican dollars for a bread. $500 for a bread. It's not only gas prices are high. Everything is sky high. So, all me can say, love what you have. Economize. Treat yourself good. Eat healthy. Be kind. You can be mean if you want because you always been kind. Remember, everything is expensive. Clothes. I tell a girl one time, say, fashion change regular. Fashion. You see, fashion, if you follow fashion, you will become a papa. Anytime you sit down and follow fashion, you're going to be a papa. Because before Louis and Balmain and Celine and all of these clothes, remember Versace was the first brand where we know, but that's the rich brand. But remember, so we are come from Paco, we are come from Major Damage, we reach a Fubu, we reach a Fat Farm, we reach a Sean John, right? When we did young and I grew up, we used to pants length with 1 back pocket. You understand? We are come from so far. Wear a gentleman shoes. Enough youth never did want to wear it because them say them shoes are too shine. So I don't want to wear that thing, but I have to wear it because I think parents can afford. We are come from Bali. Clarks was always there. Clarks is still there, but we are come from Bali. We are come from British Nike. We are come from LA Light, LA Gear, Reebok, Fila. We are come from all of them something that till we reach a polo. Remember Lacoste, all of these brands are there. Calvin Klein, Kenneth Cole, Tommy Hilfiger. See? Travel Facts, the whole of these things, all of them is brand, but it change and change and change and change. Remember they made a Fat Farm, they made a Baby Fat. See? We have all of these things, they are still around. But them becomes ancient now. Throwback. Antique. One at a time we have some jeans named 48 hours. God already days we used to know we are going to wear for the Christmas. Because everybody where you see night, them say, yes, Jesus Christ. And this are wear. One at a time them have all a clothes named Crown. Crown pants and Crown shirt. Patrick Ewing come run the place. See, remember how far we are come from, you know. We are come from so far. So far. But some people still there on I am a boy. I am big. My name is Bob. So when you gonna stop be Bob? When you gonna stop be Roy and Pam? You think so we still have the $2 paper money? We don't have that anymore. A silver that day now. We don't have $2 again. Where you see everybody, the whole heap of little pitney them, all of them pitney with that money, they're dead. All of those children and that money has died. Nobody not alive anymore. They're $2 the way you look and you see the whole of the pitney them and the money in them school uniform. Them pitney they're dead. Cause we come turn big man, we still expect say them pitney they're still little. You ever look on the pitney them on the $2 bill?